Are you interested in making a calming jar that you can travel with that's TSA approved? Well, stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa Cotten. If you're new here, I really encourage you to subscribe. I do videos on mental health, self-help, and motivation. I release videos out every single Monday. So in today's video, we are going to do DIY travel calming jars. And the really nice thing about these calming jars is that they're 3 ounces, so they can make it through TSA. There's no need to worry about hot water, glue, leakage. They're super perfect. There's only 2 ingredients. The 2 ingredients are baby oil, and it's only 3 ounces, so it's perfect. So TSA, you have to have it under 3.4 ounces of liquid, and this one is 3 ounces, so that's really nice. And then the glitter you can get at any type of grocery store, craft store, and it's really nice. It comes with these little colors, and it's the perfect amount of glitter to put in each. So in today's video, we are going to create DIY calming jars, and we're going to talk about the different benefits and uses for these jars. So stay tuned. Before we get started, we're actually going to talk about the different uses and benefits that these little jars are really great for. So if you're really new into meditation or mindfulness or just creating a new awareness of your breathing or your body, these jars are super perfect to kind of help get in the groove of meditating. So an easy exercise that you can do with these is you shake it up, and depending on how much you shake, there's obviously a lot of glitter on the bottom of here, but depending on how much you shake depends on how long. But usually on average it takes about 3 to 5 minutes for all the glitter from the very top to kind of settle to the bottom. And so as I'm talking here, we can kind of watch the glitter kind of settle and fall down to the bottom. So some uses that you could use these jars for is really just stare at the jar and watch the glitter fall and just kind of focus on your breath. So you focus on your breathing. And what that does is sometimes when you're really new to meditation, it can be really challenging to just focus on your breath without having lots of racing thoughts. And so having something to kind of bring your attention to, your focus to, such as one of these calming jars, can be really helpful. And I'm sure you've seen calming jars all over the internet, but the ones, the reason that these ones are really special is that they're under 3.4 ounces, so you can travel with them. So they're super nice. If you're at the airport, you're on the plane, you can put this on the tray and you can do just a simple little meditation to kind of focus on your breath, focus on your heart rate, and just kind of calm yourself down. So these are really great for anxiety. These are really great just for entry-level practice of meditation. It's really nice. Another thing that I do with my clients especially is my parents, I will say this is a really great timeout jar. So you give it to the kiddo, have them shake it up, and you just say, hey, when the jar is done, we'll talk about what happened. So that way the timeout isn't associated with, punishment. It can just allow them to take a timeout. So that way you can actually bring their attention back and talk to them about kind of what happened that led them to have a timeout. So those are some reasons that you might use that. If you've ever used a calming jar before, comment below on why you've used the jar, what benefits you use it for, and maybe how you could use a travel one. So this is kind of a neat little thing. So when we're making our calming jar oil today, the only 2 ingredients that we need is baby oil and glitter. So it's super easy. We can take this stuff off and pour the glitter in and shake it up, and that's all we have to do. We're just gonna kind of get started. So I've got my ingredients out. I've picked pink. It's kind of a darker pink. I think it's kind of really pretty. And then the oil. So I'm gonna shake these up, and we're just gonna kind of watch the glitter fall. So we're gonna get started. We're just gonna kind of take this off. So the nice thing about this, it's got the child-proof lock, so you have to push it down to kind of get it off, so it's gonna prevent the glitter from leaking. So in order to get this out, I just use some scissors here, and I will just kind of pop it open. So you just take the scissors, you're gonna squeeze it and kind of pull it up. Then you just take the little glitter packet, cut it open, and pour it in. Then you just kind of tap the glitter away from the oil, put the lid back on, squish it down, put the child-proof lock on, and then you could rinse this off. And you can hear it click, which means it's sealed. So you'll start to just kind of peel the labels off. And the other side. They should come off in an easy peel. If not, you can use like a microfiber cloth and just kind of wipe the excess glue off. So now what we do is we give it a good shake. So as you see, it was super easy to make. The baby oil and glitter, just 2 ingredients, something we can find at the grocery store, super affordable. These bottles, this whole project's under $5. And as you can see, you can make them in different colors, whatever your favorite color is, whatever your kiddo's favorite color is, and you can just kind of sit and watch the glitter as it falls. So we can just do that right now. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and comment below on how you might use your calming jar or if you're going to build one. My name's Alyssa Cotten. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I release videos out every single Monday. Have a great day.